Alright, so this video is going to be complementing my last video on the key I purchased from Amazon. And what this video is about is basically showing you guys how to program your keys for your vehicle, and if you can do it by yourself, or if you guys could take and have to get or if you guys will have to go and get a professional locksmith or maybe the dealer to program the keys for you. The website right here, which is programyourremote.com, it will show you your vehicle. So let's just take the Gibby's vehicle, the Suzuki. We'll go with the SX4. We will also go with 2009. And as you can see right here, it shows you how to program your key. Now you have to take and do exactly what they say on here in order to program your key, or else it will not work. You can print the instructions also. So this one you are actually able to do it by yourself. Now if we go with a Kia, we go with a Sedona, it doesn't really matter. We'll go programming instructions. And with this vehicle, it says that you need a qualified professional to program the remotes. Let's go Dodge. We'll go to Ram 1500, and we'll go to, let's try 96, and then we'll try a newer model. So you can actually program onto a 96 Dodge Ram by yourself. And if we go back and we go to a 2009, it takes and it tells you that you need a qualified professional. Now, if you do need a qualified professional, you can either call this number right here to find a locksmith in your area, or you can go locate locksmith.com and you should be able to locate one there. And if not, you can always just go to your yellow pages in order to locate one. So this video was just to complement my last video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.